Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made my pattern weights. If you don't know what pattern weights are, they are an alternative to using pins when cutting out fabric. You can also use them as paper weights, or you can add magnets to the back of them and use them as refrigerator magnets. I used air dry clay to make mine, but I've seen people use fabric and fill them up with weights and then polymer clay and add weights to them as well. So the first thing I did with this is I conditioned my clay with some water and by kneading it. And then with my fingers and my clay tools, I made the shape that I wanted. I decided to go with donuts and cookies. With air dry clay, depending on how thick it gets, it can take a day to several days for it to fully dry and cure. If you use polymer clay, you bake it to the instructions on the package. Once my clay has been cured, it's now time for paint. And I just use regular craft paint you can get like at Walmart for really cheap. And then once that is fully dry, then I sealed it with Mod Podge. With my chocolate chip cookies, I made the chocolate chips separate and then I super glued the chips to the cookies before I Mod Podged it. And here they are done. I like them and I think they came out pretty good. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye!